The first thing you need to do is to preheat the oven to 190 degrees centigrade. That's gas mark 5, 170 degrees if you have a fan oven, or 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then you need to grease a baking tin and set it aside. Into a bowl you need to pour 240 millilitres of orange juice. Now this can either be out of a carton or a bottle or freshly squeezed. You then need to add 120 millilitres of vegetable oil and then just give it a little whisk up. You then need to add 338 grams of plain flour. Next you need to add 225 grams of sugar, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt and 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. You then simply take your whisk and whisk it all up. Once the mixture is mixed up, simply pour into the tin and then pop it in the oven for half an hour. After 30 minutes, the cake should be ready, so just take it out of the oven and leave it to cool.